Hello, my friend. Come in and make yourself comfortable. I know why you're here. Your Samsung A33 is stuck on that annoying Google verification screen, and you've probably already tried a bunch of things, but nothing works. You want to bypass the lock, preferably without using a computer, because maybe you simply don't have one nearby. Listen, I completely understand you. Not long ago, I was trapped in the exact same situation. I remember that feeling of helplessness when your phone turns into a brick and you have no idea what to do next. I had to roll up my sleeves and dive deep into this whole topic. I spent a lot of time on it, I got frustrated, but in the end, I found a solution. I bypassed that damn FRP lock. And now I want to share my method with you so you can get out of this mess too. If something goes wrong during the process, don't be shy, leave a comment. I'll definitely reply. I understand that you might not be the most advanced user, and that's completely okay. My method is designed specifically for ordinary people who don't have any special technical skills. You're just a phone owner who wants the device to work again, and I respect that. Now, there's one unpleasant detail: you probably have Android 16. And that's a problem, because on older Android versions there used to be tons of tricks. Remember all those videos where people bypassed FRP through TalkBack or through Google Keyboard on Android 16? None of that works anymore. At all. So you can close all those old videos right away, they'll only waste your time. The biggest problem now is Google's new protection system. It prevents apps installed outside the Play Store from getting the permissions they need. It's basically a concrete wall that killed all the old methods. But I found a loophole. I used the free Chinese AI called DeepSeek. Why DeepSeek specifically? Because ChatGPT and other Western AIs follow strict rules and usually refuse to explain FRP bypass methods. I tried, they politely declined. But DeepSeek doesn't really care about those restrictions. I simply asked it, "Hey brother, how do I bypass FRP on my Samsung?" and included my phone model. It immediately gave me several possible methods. I picked the one that looked easiest and then asked, "Now explain every step in detail." And DeepSeek did exactly that. After that, I simply followed the instructions: tap here, then there, enter this command. Pretty simple. But the coolest part was this: whenever something didn't work, I just took a photo of the screen, uploaded it to DeepSeek, and wrote, "Look, I got this error." A few seconds later it analyzed the image and replied, "Okay, here's your problem, do this instead." And it actually worked. I could have made a full video showing exactly how I did everything. But there's one issue. A method that works today might stop working next month. Samsung constantly patches every loophole people discover. But DeepSeek is always updated and keeps learning new methods, so a video becomes outdated quickly, while DeepSeek stays useful. And you know what, I even fixed my old iPhone with the help of DeepSeek. Can you imagine that a repair shop told me, "Throw it away, it can't be fixed"? But I talked with DeepSeek, found the right instructions, and the iPhone started working like new again. Thank you for reading until the end. I'm always here if you need help. Feel free to